All right, over here, guys, I see a job that I hate. Oh, y'all see that? Look at that, guys. Those looks like heater hoses. They could go either way, either AC lines or the heater lines. They could carry either coolant or Freon. Okay, not sure which one this one carrying. In fact, guys, do y'all know how hard this is? These are the type of jobs I run from. Yes, I hate doing these jobs, guys. Wow. This must have been where it was leaking from. And the only way to get it is to replace the whole thing. But look where it goes up under, guys. Oh my goodness. This is gonna be a hard job. Yes, when I see these guys, I run. I'm sorry. I'm pretty much not scared of anything except these. Everybody has their limit, and this is mine. Those lines run under the whole underbody, the complete underbody. I want to say, yeah, I have to say this is them right here, but look, they're going under here, loop through here, loop all the way. Oh my God. Woo. And then you got to make sure, so he may end up lowering the transmission. Yeah, he's going to have to. Oh my goodness. Y'all see that? This is enough right here to make a guy change careers. Look, and it's not done right here, guys. Now, yes, they go through here. Oh, and then they go. Obviously, this car has rear AC rear heater unit. Yes, that's the only reason you would need coolant and Freon to go towards the rear. Where is it? Okay, oh my God, they're going in the hill, so which means you may have to drop the tank. I hope he charged enough. I hope it's not warranty. And then it's going, oh my goodness. It's going under the axle. Oh, and then it's going right here. Oh, and then it's going to end up right here, guys. Yes, these are likely heater hoses. These two. And these two here are likely the AC lines. Oh my goodness. You know what the thing that bothers me, guys? Why did they make these one hose, one line? Why didn't they give you a split somewhere? I mean, it's like the engineers, sometimes I think they're against us. I don't understand this. Did y'all just see how difficult that was? But look how they could have made our life so much simpler. Give me a stopping point right here. Okay, that's not even a quarter. And a stopping point maybe right along there, and then connect up there. These likely two heater hoses. That's what they are. They're not and you can tell they're heater hoses, not AC lines, because yes, the rubber hose go on that part. So that stupid hose go all the way back here, and you're gonna end up, yes, these two right here. See, if it was AC line, it'd be made different, but those are two heater hoses. Look at that, guy. And it's got a loop all the way, which means you got to get, oh, poor guy. I feel bad for Buddy. Oh. Guys, look, I'm not the hater type. I'm not a hater by no means, but I'm so glad this ain't me. But you never know what you're going to be dispatched. Okay? Look, I don't know if it broke right here. It could have easily got snagged. Like, if you're going to have this stuff right here, car makers, at least cover the mess out of it. From what I can tell, the exhaust is not too far from this. Did it get hot and bust? But why can't you not put a piece of rubber hose right here and a piece of rubber hose right here? If this is the only source of your leak, you talking about getting creative. If this was me, I'd be getting major creative. I could have hoped. It all depends, guys. Y'all know dealerships. Y'all know dealerships can't do stuff like that. You know, so I'm just joking. It will have to be done. Correct. We can't even cut battery terminals off. I get all kinds of flack for telling people you need a whole complete battery harness. It's not that. I'm just saying here we can't rig it up. We can't rig stuff up. And I would have to tell the customer, literally come back and show them. I think the way to get the customer to agree with it is to show them the price. That's if it's customer pay. If it's not warranty, show them the price of it versus the price of trying to repair it. They might go for it then. All right, then that's when you make them sign a waiver and all that good stuff. But for the most part, guys, okay, I can't bear to watch anymore. I gotta leave. Alright guys, I'm done. Alright guys, let's go to the used car department. I think the Hunter man back here putting up the new rack. Y'all know we're getting a new alignment rack. We already got a high dollar machine. So now, hey, y'all see that? Very nice, guys. Look at that state of the art. Wow, look at the turn wheels versus the ones we had. Hey, you're gonna really be able to lift the cars up fairly easy now. This one we had been here for at least since I've been here, which is what, almost 20 years. Yep, it's about to be on. Goodbye, good riddance to all this. Wow, can't believe it lasted this long. So, see, we already got the latest and greatest tire machine. At least I think that's the latest and greatest. I don't know what you Tiger has out there using. Supposedly you can do low profile tires with this. I'm not a tire guy, guys, but when I started working on cars, we didn't have none of this. Now, we had the tire machine, but I think that picks the tire up. Show you how. Yeah, we got the tire guys nowadays have to be experienced and have a degree. You have to have a degree to work this stuff. When I was changing tires and doing, maintenance, lube, oil, and filter stuff, it wasn't that fancy, guys. But here we are, 2020 now, and it has become a little crazy, so to speak. All right, but like I say, it's all for the better. Spend money. It's nice. Easy ramp. Should be able to drive straight up on it. Alright, I don't want to disturb them guys, so I'm going to go this way. Let's go back on the other side, guys.